guys, hey, back with another video, just on a truck. This is on my first truck. I wanted to make a quick video right before I don't see it again. This truck is sold now. I did decide to get rid of this first one. It did well for a few months, but just for me, for the area, it's not really that practical with that PX8 engine being an automatic. If it was a manual with this engine, it would have worked a lot better. But just especially when you get some jobs that require some going up hills, it doesn't do too well. Maybe just my driver was over exaggerating it, but it's getting a little higher mileage now, and kind of need some time to repair my other two trucks that are standing. That's what I want to focus more on, and then I have my repair stuff that I kind of been putting off to the side and blowing off some customers. So kind of need to get back into that. But as soon as my other truck is ready, I'll kind of press the restart button and get back in it, and it'll be a little easier with that truck because more power, bigger Cummins, more reliable. So I just want to make a quick video of the repair on this one. I will post pictures of the truck, how I got it. I'll post some pictures from the auction right about now. And then as you saw the pictures of the auction, and then I'll post pictures of when I got it, the damage after the stack was taken off, what it took to kind of repair it. I didn't take too much pictures back then, but I'll post what I do have. So pretty much it was just, I removed the stack, removed the inside. There's a bracket on the inside, holding the corners together. You remove the bracket and everything just kind of gave out, like it was really easy from there. After that, you just kind of you literally just grab a hammer and kind of start hitting the corner out. As you can see from the previous pictures, it was damaged right here. Really not much that you can see now. But I'll post pictures after it was hammered out, and then took some body work, some Bondo, and then some paint. But after that, it was really not scary at all. So I guess someone flipped it over on its side, and this stack pretty much just went into the cab. I think where the tow guy was trying to flip it over, he put the chains either somewhere right here, or probably right here, because these lines were snapped off. And I think he put and there was like a big bend right here. So either he tried to do that. I think he might have flipped it when the box was up. That's what they might have done. So anyway, but there was like some crack right here. But anyway, the guy didn't pick it up really the smartest way. So that was some work. That's pretty much it. The box was in good shape. I just put, like I said, aluminum wheels on it. I painted it the black color right here, fenders, make it a little more nicer looking. You'll see I put two pictures by each other, just the white, and then when I added black it looks a lot better. But yeah, this is just, that's how it looks right there when it's done. Just kind of wanted to show you guys the progress of this truck, kind of like a, not really a start to finish, but just how it looked then and how it looks now. But anyway, yeah guys, this truck is pretty much sold. It'll give me some more time to focus on my other 2 trucks, to get those finished, and then focus on my repairs. And then, like I said, I'll keep you guys updated on everything, how it's going. But I just want to focus on those 2 trucks for now and get them repaired and get one of them running, one of them sold. And then I am looking at a few other trucks. I don't know how serious I am about them, but I really do want to get a truck with a sleeper so I can kind of let it flatbed throughout California. But we'll see how that goes. That's just all in the future plans. But anyway guys, yeah, I just wanted to do kind of last video on this truck. It did good for me. I like it. You know, when the guys said they wanted it, I kind of almost changed my mind. I wanted to keep it, but I figured it's for the best to let it go for now, and like I said, press the restart button, because this truck really wasn't the best for hilly jobs. And like I said, maybe it was just my driver that was driving me kind of nuts and made me kind of want to get out of this business. So that's why I had to let him go and kind of wanted to get rid of the truck. Like I said, I'll hit the restart button and I think everything will work out the second time around. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and see you guys in the next one.